We are only days away from heading to the biggest Bronco event in the country. Now, what is that event, you might ask? That event is none other than Super Celebration Tennessee. Thousands of people, over 1,000 Broncos, 4 times as many wheels and tires. Folks, this event is no joke. Now, normally the week leading up to this event is extremely stressful for us, but we've kind of got all of our ducks in a row at this point, and to be honest, it just doesn't feel right. Something feels off. So to rectify this, what we decided to do was outfit the boss's trailer with some collapsible shelving to help us organize all of the event madness that we normally have going on. Now, we didn't ask his permission, so we'll have to see if he likes it or not. But fret not, we're gonna take you guys along for the final event prep ride. It may get stressful, it may go smooth as butter. We're gonna find out. Okay, so we're gonna quickly have Morgan walk you through the plan that we've got going right now.
All right, so we've got a bunch of these collapsible shelf supports off of Amazon. They seem like they're gonna work pretty well for us for saving space and providing the proper support. We do have an aluminum sided trailer, so we're gonna be using riv nuts rather than just drilling and tapping into the aluminum itself. We're gonna go a little bit overkill with 5/16. We're gonna have some Loctite. We're gonna do 3 supports per shelf. The shelves are gonna be about 4 feet long. We're not sure on our shelving material yet. We'll take you guys to Home Depot later and we'll pick something out. So like I said, 3 of these support arms per shelf to spread the load out. And then we're gonna have 2 tiers, upper and lower, to hold all of your guys' parts.
That's the plan anyways. I guess we should get to work and see how this goes. While Morgan continues to work on the trailer, I would like to take a quick second to thank today's sponsor. Just kidding, we don't have a sponsor. But what I would like to do is give a quick update on the Nightmare. As of right now, we've got a few more test miles to put on this thing, then this thing is getting pimped out with the gunny wheels and stuffed in the trailer. Now, in case you haven't kept up with our last couple videos, we spent the last couple weeks chasing our little horsey tails around trying to diagnose why this thing was running so bad. Long story short, we needed an oil change.
Oh, yep.
Okay, it's just gas, it's not oil.
It's oily gas.
Oh my God, that's like all gas. Look at how quick it's coming. Is that how quick oil normally comes out? Go ahead and check out those last couple videos if you need a better explanation. But anyways, the Nightmare is back in full swing, and I'm telling you guys, if you've been a long-term fan or customer of wild horses and you're gonna be at Super Celebration Tennessee, then we would love it if you swung by our booth. We are going to have limited edition Nightmare stickers to pass out. All you have to do is show proof that you're subscribed to the channel. So anyways, guys, we should probably go help Morgan put those shelves up. Okay, explain to the people what we ended up going with.
We are using 15-30 seconds thickness 4x8 sheet of plywood. It's pre-sanded. They're gonna cut it into strips for us. So we're gonna have 16-inch strips, and we're gonna make quite a few shelves out of just one piece of plywood.
Sick, dude, we're almost there. Then we gotta stain it. All right, Morgan, where are we at?
All right, guys, end of day 1. We've got all of our supports for tier 1 mounted up on the sides of the trailer with our riv nuts and 5/16 bolts. We've got hardware on order that'll show up here tomorrow to mount the shelves to the supports. And then this wing is done, and we'll keep doing probably 3 more sets.
Yeah, easy work, right?
Yeah, came together well. Looks good. It's gonna be very functional.
Alrighty folks, so me and Morgan have been slaving around for the past couple days getting this trailer ready along with all the other madness that we've got going on here at Wild Horses, but I think we ended up with something that's gonna impress the boss. Let me know what you guys think. One second. Whew. Threw out my flipping arm. Here we go. Alrighty folks, so as you can see, this is what we have ended up with. Unfortunately, we ran into a lot of issues with the supplies. So obviously we've only got one tier done because the rest of the shelving arms didn't show up.
Oh, fudge.
We had some trouble with some rib nuts. Obviously the locks didn't come in, so we can't show you guys completely everything. But the gist of the idea is boom. That guy right there. Again, we're gonna come up with some locking mechanisms to hold it down while we're driving, but it is as simple as that. Me and Morgan are stoked about this whole thing. Like, this is long overdue. I think it's gonna make all of the stuff we do at events go way smoother. And Super Celebration is the perfect testing ground because it's the busiest. So we're gonna figure it out at ground zero. So with that said, we're gonna clock out today because it's been a long day. I think tomorrow we're gonna see how many coil springs this thing can hold.
5 minutes later.
Scratch that, what I actually realized is I've gotta edit this video pretty much tonight, the majority of it. So I'm gonna be here till like 12 o'clock tonight editing what you guys are watching right now because I've been trying to upload every Friday. So with that said, we're gonna do that coil spring test right now because why put off for tomorrow what you could do today?
Well said.
I think is how that goes. So here we go. Coil spring box number 1. For reference, these puppies are about 36 pounds a piece. We're up to 3. It's like, what's the weak point on this thing? And it would suck if these fell right now because that'd be so loud and very embarrassing. For the final test, ladies and gentlemen. Let me do some quick math right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3 is 5. Okay, 230 pounds for the win. I think one of these is rated for like 130. I could be totally wrong. Who knows what the wood is rated for? So I'll flip, yeah. There we go, folks. Not that we will ever put that much weight on this shelf, but it is holding, and I'm honestly waiting for it to collapse at any second now because that would just be our luck. With that tested, folks, we've got one more thing to do for this video, and that's pimp out the nightmare with those gunny wheels. Am I allowed to say pimp out? Am I allowed to talk like that on this channel? This is a family channel, but anyways, let me know. Let's go get that done, folks. gracious, what a week it has been. I'm not gonna lie, it got a little stressful, but it also went smooth as butter. We got both, the best of both worlds. I'm just surprised that we're getting out of here before 2 a.m., honestly. The fact that this thing is buttoned up and we are pretty much locked and loaded, ready to go to Super Celebration, Tennessee. I'm stoked. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the boss's reaction to all of the work that we did. And we look forward to seeing all of you guys out there at Super Celebration Tennessee. If any of you horsemen are gonna be at that event, make sure you swing by the booth and say what's up. Don't forget to grab your Nightmare limited edition sticker. And with all of that being said, we'll see you guys out there in Tennessee. Peace!